Now the next is iMoms, a name I like a lot. Has designed an app for the health and the wellness of expecting mothers and their babies. The team calls this app Headspace for Pregnancy, and this app is currently recommended by 1,000 plus doctors. Being presented by Ravi Teja, he is an IIT BHU alumnus of 2017 from Mechanical Engineering Department. He is a meditator, product guy, and belongs to the family of five generations of Ayurvedic physicians. Over to you, Ravi.
Thanks a lot, Virgayu. Hello, everyone. So we are iMoms. We are trying to create a safe home environment for healthy and happy. So before I start, I just want to give you a context of the life of an expecting mother. If you see the life of an expecting mother, most of them they're feeling stressed from mild to severe anxiety stress they're facing. More and more pregnancies are high risk currently, and more people are living in nuclear families without the family support. And of course, it's a major problem in healthcare system, information asymmetry. We have 100,000 obstetricians and 30 million pregnancies. So 5 minutes is the only time a pregnant mother is getting from her doctor. Why pregnancy is important? I wanted to add because it is more important than we all know. Pregnancy is actually shaping the brain architecture of the baby. It is deciding the immunity of the babies in the future. So this 9 months is dictating the entire life of
Hey, Ravi,
humans.
sorry to interrupt. Yeah, please
Yeah.
speak a little louder, right? We're hearing some buzzing noise. Yeah.
Is it better now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it is
it's way
far
better
better.
now.
It was
Yeah.
very low earlier.
Cool. Yeah. So pregnancy, as I said, it is way important than we thought on the human life. It is actually impacting everything: the immunity, future personality, brain architecture, learning, and IQ. So that is the reason we started. And this problem we saw in all the reproductive health sectors for women health. So we created mobile application called iMoms, which we call the Headspace for Pregnancy, where we have a 9 months program, which audiovisual program, which a pregnant woman can follow. It consists of meditations, baby bonding exercises, harmonizing music, yoga, breathing exercises, and we have a positive community. We do live sessions with doctors every single day. So far, we have done 170 plus live sessions and answered 30,000 plus questions live. Uh, that coming to the traction, we launched back in November 2019. So far, we have seen 75,000 plus installs, 32% month-on-month growth, and we have a freemium subscription model where people pay 799 for the pregnancy or 129 for month, and we have seen 2,100 and plus paid subscribers. Our revenue is growing 50% month-on-month, and our conversion rates are 6%, which are 3x better than the industry standard. 45% women are retaining after 10th week, and in the premium subscribers, it is 92% after 10th week. We are being trusted by 1,000 plus doctors. The larger vision is we have unicorns like Headspace and Calm, which are generalized mindful approach, making 200 million AR. But we want to start with give a personalized mindfulness approach, starting with a small niche of pregnancy, and we have plans to expand vertically, horizontally, as well as geographically. As I said, there are various problems in various phases of women health: pregnancy, preconception, early motherhood, as well as menopause area. So the whole market size is $2.6 billion potential, annual potential. We're currently focusing on India pregnancy market and subscription business. We have plans to expand in other businesses in other adjacent markets as well. The team consists of a very, very senior obstetrician who delivered 10,000 plus babies, and being the president of Foxy, the organization for gynecologists and obstetricians in India. And Rajesh, who is the meditation coach who taught more than 2 lakh people how to meditate. And Mayur and me both are from IIT Varanasi. We both are meditators for the past 4 years. We strongly realize the importance of holistic approach towards human health, and we start pregnancy is the right point to start because of the impact which we can create. So far, we have been covered organically by major media houses, and we have been awarded second best digital health app in the Atmanirbhar App Challenge. And our Honorable Prime Minister and a couple of union ministers have tweeted about us. So this is the traction and what we were so far. And coming to all the wonderful folks out there. So we are looking for a product and business expertise, as well as we are currently closing a 300K USD seed round, and 30 lakhs is the amount which is still left up for grabs. So if you wish to participate in the round, that will be very helpful. So that's it from iMom side. Thank you so much, Dhiraj.
Thanks. That sounded great. Now I would like to request Dr. Ajit Singh sir to share his thoughts and feedback on IMAMS. Over to you, sir.
So the issue in your case, Ravi, would be how do you engage? How do you pull people in? What's the cost of customer acquisition? And a point I saw across the board, across all the presentations, the focus on what the competitive scenario is, how you're different, what is the vital one or two problems you're solving that others are not. That requires a lot of focus. Consumers are really fickle. Now, as it turns out, a pregnant woman is a remarkably high traction customer. It's a remarkably sticky customer. If you can get their attention, it's probably the one most important event of their life. That'll happen maybe once, maybe twice. That's it. Especially the kind of clientele you're attracting, that's one or two children in a lifetime. And if you can create stickiness, it is just perfect 100% stickiness. And unfortunately, I did not see anything that tells me exactly how you plan to achieve it. You don't need to answer the question. It's more a food for thought.
Sure. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So the retention metrics are measured. We have been seeing industry retention metrics better than industry. So the content which we gave is the mindfulness content. So that is actually helping them right from morning to night. The whole day they meditate in the morning, they listen to music, and they ask questions when they have, and before night the family comes and do baby bonding exercises. So we have been engaging them throughout the day, and there's a lot of passion in this particular life event. So we see, with little effort also we could see much higher results. And coming to cost of acquisition, 60% of our acquisition is coming through digital ads, Facebook, Google, and Google App campaigns. So we are seeing a CAC of around 5 rupees per install as of now, which is highly optimized. 13 rupees per install is the industry average. So we brought it down to 5 rupees, and 40% of our installs are coming through word of mouth. Half of them are being referred by their own doctor, and half the pregnant women sharing among themselves. And the customer acquisition strategy is scalable. We have a network of 1,000 plus doctors. Of them, 300 of them are referring. And for every 1 rupee we're spending on ad spends, we're getting 5 rupees back in return. So we are looking to scale the same thing, 50% month on month.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ravi.